Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you need to find where the electric power steering fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, it's two of them, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. What's important guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we will be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So guys, where can you expect to find the fuse for the electric power steering? So you guys actually have three fuses in two different fuse boxes. Today we'll be working, the first one will be on the driver's side. We'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla. Open your driver door, look under the dash on the bottom on the left side. If you look upside down, you will find that you have one white cover that looks like this one. Pop that cover open, underneath you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Here you need to check just one fuse, but before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, we need to check one fuse for the electric power steering pump, but we have two more in a different fuse box that are quite important. Make sure you stay until the end. Here guys, that's fuse 1 through 16, that's 17 through 32 in that row, and the fuse that we need to check now, that's 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 28, that 10M fuse guys, that's the one that you need to check. Next you need to go ahead and open the hood on your Toyota Corolla. Once you open the hood, you will find that on the right side, facing the engine, you have that cover, open it, that's the main engine fuse box. Now, oh, by the way guys, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, the good price, quick shipping, we will put the link in the description of the video below. We can find them for any car, not just Toyota Corolla, and that way you can save your time and money guys. Now here we need to check two fuses. The first one, if we zoom in, you may or may not have this one, but if you have it, it will be fuse number 2. Right here. And another fuse that you need to check, okay, if you come right here, you will need to look for fuse number 16. So you wonder where that one is guys. If you look right here, we're talking about that big ADM fuse right here. That's fuse number 16 for the electric power steering. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.